Okay, we're on our very last objective about telling about our family. And we're not going to get very in-depth on it in this conversation. It's going to be just how many siblings do you have. So we'll start a friendly conversation, hola, and then very much like how many years do you have, we'll start with cuántos, how many. ¿Cuántos hermanos tienes? How many siblings do you have? So instead of cuántos años tienes, cuántos hermanos tienes. You are going to answer much like your age. Tengo, I have, and then you'll put the number, and then hermanos. Now, one thing that feels confusing as English speakers is that hermanos can mean brothers or siblings, brothers and sisters. So, if you would like to clarify, you can say tengo so many hermanos and put the number of hermanas. So for instance, myself, tengo 3 hermanos y 3 hermanas. I came from a fairly big family. If you don't have any siblings at all, you can say no tengo, spell it right, no tengo hermanos. Okay. So this one, that is the last one, is actually pretty simple. Now, down here you can practice the numbers again because you'll want to be able to say the number correctly. Tengo 3 hermanos, 5 hermanos, whatever it is. Un hermano. Let's go ahead and put that over here. If you only have one sibling, you're going to say tengo un, instead of uno, un hermano. Just one. Down here, you can put all the family members if you would like. Again, we're just going to be talking about brothers and sisters this time, but it could be nice to do all. And then down here at the bottom, make sure you answer for yourself so you know how to answer that correctly. Run through this a few times with a partner, and you should be set to check it off.